Just when the automotive world thought the Pagani Zonda had made its final bow, it roars back into the spotlight with another jaw-dropping, multi-million-dollar one-off. Originally launched in 1999, the Zonda was supposedly retired twice, first replaced by the Huayra, then the all-new Utopia. But Pagani fans know better. Thanks to the brand's Unico division, the Zonda continues to live on through a series of ultra-exclusive, custom-built rebirths. This latest masterpiece is a Zonda Roadster, and it's not just any custom job, it's a deeply personal tribute to the Kunlun Mountains in China, reflecting the owner's tastes in both design and spirit. The entire body is crafted from exposed blue carbon fiber, offering a visual treat that fuses luxury with performance in true Pagani fashion. The hood features large carbon fiber air vents and signature white racing stripes, a nod to the 760 series styling cues. The car doesn't just look good, it performs like a beast. While Pagani hasn't officially confirmed the specs for this model, it's safe to assume it's powered by the same AMG-sourced 7.3-liter naturally aspirated V12 as other Zonda 760s. That means an output of 760 horsepower and an exhaust note that's more symphony than sound. Aesthetically, the car rides on black wheels with blue center caps and features an aggressive array of aerodynamic enhancements. There's a massive carbon fiber rear wing, a shark fin, a smaller secondary wing, and a sculpted diffuser, each one meticulously designed for function and flair. Even the tailpipes are finished in blue to match the theme, proving that no detail is too small for Pagani craftsmanship. Inside the cabin? We don't know yet, Pagani hasn't released interior photos. But given the track record of the brand's bespoke interiors, it's likely just as artistic and high performance as the exterior. Whether it comes with a traditional manual or an automated manual gearbox remains a mystery, but one thing is certain, this car is built to be experienced. As for the price? It's unconfirmed. But based on similar Zonda one-offs, this rolling work of art likely cost the owner upwards of $10 million. One thing's for sure, the legend of the Zonda isn't just alive. It's thriving.